Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Temitapo of Little Fit Craft. In today's class, I'll be showing you how to make this beret. It's called sunburst beret. I'll be using yeye regular yarn. I'll be using 3 strands of this yarn. 3 strands. So I'll be showing you how to work 3 strands of yarn with just removing one of this strand. I'll be explaining how to do that. I'll be using 5mm crochet hook, 5mm crochet hook for the body of the cap, and I'll be using 4.5mm crochet hook for the brim of the cap of the beret. I'll be using scissors to cut off yarn, and I'll be using tapestry needle to weave in ends. As you can see in the picture, I'll be designing my beret with some embellishments. So this is a flower. I got it at a tailoring material store, and I also got this too at a tailoring material store. It has different color and shapes, so I'll be going for this color. So for the gumming, I'll be using this hot glue gum. So I'll be plugging it when there's light, and this is where the gum will be. It's like a candle. It's called candle gum. I also got it at a tailoring material store. So after it's hot here, I'll just be pressing it, and it will be coming out here. I will gently gum all the embellishment on the cap. So let's get started. So to work your 3 strands of yarn, we are going to be folding this one strand into two like this. This is the end, and we're going to be folding it into 3 again, making 3 strands, and we'll start our work. Make your magic ring or your magic circle. Chain 2, which does not count as one double crochet. So now we're going to be making 20 double crochet into this magic ring. 1, 2. After crocheting and you are almost at the end of this strand, you are just simply going to pull this out like this and continue your work. 2 double crochet. This is the 3rd one. So I'll continue working this double crochet till I get to the 20th double crochet. So once I'm at the end of this strand, I'll just pull through again. For this beret, I normally use almost 2 balls. What will be left of 2 balls is just very small yarn. So I'm at the end of this strand, I'll just put it off again like this. So this I will continue working till I get to my number 20 double crochet. So right now I have 20 double crochet. I'm going to pull this strand together firmly, but be careful not to cut off the yarn. Now slip stitch into this first double crochet, not the chain 2 space, but the first double crochet. So next is to make chain 4 and double crochet into the next stitch. So this chain 4 represents 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet, chain 1 till I get to the last stitch, chain 1, 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet, chain 1, and 1 double crochet to the last stitch, chain 1, slip stitch into the on top of chain 3. So this is what you should have right now. Next is to make chain 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, which counts as 1 double crochet, chain 2. So 1 double crochet to the next stitch and chain 2, 1 double crochet to the next stitch, chain 2. So that's how you continue working your 1 double crochet, chain 2. So once you are once you are almost at the end of this strand, don't forget to always pull through. You can pull as long as you want a bit, but be careful not to tangle it. So just continue working gently. Chain 2, double crochet. What I love about this pattern is it's very easy and also beginner friendly. It also works up very fast. Like I can make up to 3 to 4 in a day. So I'll slip stitch into on top of that chain, the chain 3, and slip stitch again into the chain 2 space. So that is, we are slip stitching 2 times. Let me repeat that for you. Chain 2. So these are chain 5, slip stitch on the chain 2, on the chain 3 rather, and slip stitch again to the chain 2 space and make your chain 3. So now we are working while making chain 3. So into that space, make 1 more double crochet. So for this area, chain 3 represents 1 double crochet. So we are making 1 more double crochet into the chain 2 space, making 2 double crochet. So chain 2, and we are working 2 double crochet in each of the stitches round. Excuse me. 2 double crochet, chain 2, and 2 double crochet, chain 2. Chain 2 and slip stitch your work. So before I slip stitch, let me pull more yarn like this. So I'll slip stitch on this chain 3, and I'll slip stitch into this chain 2 space. So chain 3, and now this is what you should have. Look how beautiful the pattern is. Now we are going to making 2 double crochet into this stitch, making 3 double crochet, chain 2. So in the next stitch, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, and 3. The next stitch, make 3 double crochet, So 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, chain 2. Now I'm going to slip stitch into this first chain 3, that is the first double crochet, slip stitch into the second double crochet, and slip stitch into this chain 2 space, make your chain 3. This is what you should have right now. Now we are going to be making 3 double crochet into this stitch, chain 2. Into this stitch we are going to be making 4 double crochet, 1, 2, 3 and 4, chain 2. So chain 2, 4 double crochet, chain 2, 4 double crochet in each of this chain 2 space. So now this 4 double crochet, we are going to be making 5 rows of it, 5 rows of it, but I'll be doing that off camera. Don't forget to always pull your strand here. Once you are done with these 2 strands, just pull it again to make it 3 strands. I'm almost done with this strand of yarn, so I'll gently tie the second ball to it and continue working rounds. So gently pull your strand like this and continue working. By using 3 strands of yarn, it makes beret very thick and firm on the head. Actually, this beret fits all sizes, just like your regular beret to buy in the market. But if you want a very much bigger size, you can change the hook to 5.5mm crochet hook. Chain 2 and slip stitch into the first stitch, second stitch, third stitch, and into this chain 2 space, chain 3. So right now I've made 4 double crochet in 5 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 double crochet. Want to be reducing the amount of stitches in each of the spaces. Chain 2, 3 double crochet. So we are at the end of this strand. Next is to pull more strands. So continue with our 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, chain 2 and slip stitch into this space, slip stitch 1, slip stitch and slip stitch into the chain 2 space, chain 3, so next is to make 1 double crochet into this stitch, chain 2 and work 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet, chain 2 in every of the stitches till get to this point. Chain 2 and slip stitch, so at this point you're going to be making 2 double crochet, chain 1, so 1 double crochet here plus the chain 3, making 2 double crochet, chain 1 instead of the chain 2 we did here, so 2 double crochet, chain 1 till we get to the last stitch. This beret fits all adult size, it fits all adult size. At this point, so slip stitch into this first stitch only, to this first stitch only. We are going to be changing our hook size to 4.5 millimeter crochet hook. Remember we are using 5 millimeter crochet hook before, so chain 1 and 1 single crochet in every of the stitches. Everything 1 single crochet, so we'll continue single crocheting into each of the stitches till we get to this point. We'll slip stitch. I'm going to be making this single crochet a total of 4 rounds. I'll be doing that off camera and I'll show you how it looks like at the end. So we've got our yarn here and fasten up. This is what you should have. Next is to weave in all these ends and arrange our accessories on it. This is what I have left of my 2 balls of yarn. This is what I have left. So thanks for watching this video to the end, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye.